Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Mapagania, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's a nil draw with me. I have Dlamini with me. Dlamini Mnani.
Ngikho mnandi. Ngikho mnandi Mapagania.
But Pagania, you know what? It's not done. You know, 14 years without the league. It was never going to be easy, Pagania. I understand. Abanye they came here thinking it's just going to be a cruise. Abanye predicting about 5. But I know after so long, Pagania, and you told me as well with Arsenal, the Pirates are going to take. You understand? So the Arsenal, I don't think it's going to be easy for them.
Yeah, but hey, Wadu, hey man, Wadu, please respect Orlando Pirates. Don't respect Orlando Pirates only, fans. Respect Orlando Pirates. This is not just a club. Wadu, you are killing us. Today we were supposed to celebrate. I saw old men, 8 years. Umuntona 8 in Mbona Stadium. Afaki like the Pirates, like 1960. Wadu, why do you keep on doing this? You are killing Orlando Pirates talent. You are killing these youngsters. How can you come and put Slepe on the starting 11? He has not played the whole season. You are killing Slepe. You have done this with Dancing. You have done this with Mbutuma. Why do you keep on doing the same thing? Why do you respect Amaruad? Why do you keep on disrespecting us like this? We don't say we come with money, no. But we came to the stadium to celebrate in Orlando the league title. Wadu, Orlando Pirates management, you need to deal with this guy. Serious, you did this with Kroll, and he was playing good football, Urud Kroll, and he was let go at the end of the season. We need to let go of this guy. This guy is no longer a plumber. He keep on tempering with man. Wadu, you have killed us today. Today we blame Wadu. We can't blame these youngsters. We can't blame this team. Wadu.
So Pagania, you keep on saying Wadu. So Funugu just that one change Abu Isuma Kaul.
Not only that one change. Why do you keep on throwing Mbutuma at the end? You know Mbutuma is not gonna give you anything. Why do you keep on playing Mbutuma? You are destroying this young boy. I said it the last time. Wadu is destroying this boy. Just give him a rest. Put him in the last 10 minutes. You've seen Marhopa, what he can do, what he can offer you. Why do you keep on letting... Wadu, man, Wadu. You lose, Git. Today's game, Wadu, it was a lose. This is a message to you. Stop this. Stop this to... Man, out there, man. Wadu.
I frustrate, Pagania. So, Mara Pagania, we're still going to take this league, Pagania.
Don't going to take the league. Pagania, yeah. I'm saying it again. We will take the league. Yeah. Come next week. But you see, everyone was here today to celebrate the league title in Orlando. Even Andy Lechali said it that I won the treble with Pirates in Orlando. You need to understand this thing. This is not just a team, Wadu. This thing is spiritual. This is not just a team. You need to realize that. Winning the league here, it's not like winning the league in Bombay. It's not like, guys, look at everyone who was here today. Look at the drums. It's not just a team. This is Orlando Pirates, Wadu. Wadu. This is not AS Vita, it's not Marumo Gallants, it's Orlando Pirates. You need to respect the patch. You need to respect the chairman. You need to respect these fans who came today to fill the stadium.
No, thanks, Pagania.